Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I posted, but I have some bad news about the Honda S2000. It recently got wrecked by a drunk driver. I wasn't in the car. It was parked outside of where I live, and the drunk driver hit two cars, and his car ended up on top of mine, wrecking it. I'm kind of over it just because it's been a long time already, like 3-4 months. But I mean, it still kind of hurts me because I had plans for it. Anyways, I did get a new car, and it is an old school classic car, and it's gonna be a new start for me because I never worked on a classic car or had a classic car before. But it doesn't mean I'm not gonna get another like JDM car in the future. Anyways, if I'm able to post pictures and videos about how my Honda S2000 was left, I'm gonna post them, and if not, I'll leave a link to my Instagram where there's pictures and videos of how it was left. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So this is my new 1959 Volkswagen Beetle that I got. I drove 5 hours from Stockton, from Montebello to Stockton to get it. It runs and drives, but I do need a new generator because it's going bad, and a new battery. But I mean, so long as it runs and drives and it doesn't need a lot of major work. I do have the trims that go there. I also have the bumpers from front and rear. I have a new carpet that came with the car when I bought it. And yeah, hope you guys are excited as much as I am to start this build. Another thing that's wrong with it does need wiring because neither the front or the rear lights work. But I do have the bumpers right here, and I am going to keep it this color because I really like this color. It has no rust. Everything has been replaced and new from the bottom, from what the owner told me. My dad checked it, came out good. So it does need service just because we did drive it 5 hours from Stockton to Montebello. I mean, it was a hell of a fucking drive. It died on us because I ran out of gas in the middle of the freeway because some of you guys know this, but the 59 Beetles, I'm not sure about other Beetles, it doesn't tell you how much gas you have, so you have to keep stopping. Well, you don't have to keep stopping, but keep in mind the gas that you have left and how much gas you put in it. But yeah, right now I'm on my way to SoCal, I think it's called SoCal Imports in Long Beach, to get a new generator for it so I could keep it, so I could get it started and running. No.
Oh, sorry to get your film, but
No, it's fine. Thank you to Focal Imports for getting me the part I needed. Look at these beauties right here. Anyways, I didn't get the generator. I ended up getting an upgrade to an alternator. I have it right here. I won't be installing it today, and this is probably the end of the video. It was just like a little update of what happened to the Honda S2000 and to the new car I got. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I won't be installing the alternator today, but I'll save that for another video. This video was a little update of what happened to the Honda S2000 and the new car I got. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next video and the other mods that will be coming for the Volkswagen Beetle.